if my physics hasn't let me go, I think Quasar is one of the stars which burns brightest in the sky, right? AU, I'm sure, will be burning as bright. It will act as what a quasar is in the sky. We really hope that AU-QUASAR acts as that beacon of light in Bangalore.
Alliance University's Quantum AI Center is a deep tech institute where we've brought frontier technologies together and almost made it a convergent school. Not just computing, which everyone wants to, which is still getting there in its full scale. Quantum materials, sensing, quantum communications, anything can become a reality.
Today there is a divide, the secrecy of the nature cannot be accessed without quantum computer. We have a first private university in India to have a quantum computer today physically, and that's a very proud moment.
We have seen technology waves before, personal computing, internet, mobile, cloud. Each of these waves have changed how we live and work. AI and quantum together represent a wave at least as significant and possibly more so, because they do not just change how we access information, they change how we compute, how we discover, how we solve problems that were previously out of reach.
We call the curriculum philosophy of AU-QUASAR as AU-RI. So first year is a foundation year where we want to tell the students that basic science, maths is highly important. We want you guys to study about physics, chemistry, maths and biology, and then build upon the foundations of the program core, then diversify at the end of the third year into the minor programs. It can be quantum computing, sensing, communication, cyber-physical systems, or any other areas that you like. Climate science is also another important topic which we are discussing upon.